Hey guys, good morning. I don't want to shoot this quick video for you because many of you are messaging me that their accounts are not growing, and I went back in and see what we can do. So if you go to Jarvee to follow, then this is a great thing to do. What you could do is, I've been testing around with the settings, and some accounts they work really, really good, and some accounts they absolutely do not. So if you go up here, it's always going up and down. So this mid part, use filters. I definitely use this one. I do this one, this one. These two I'm playing around with because, for example, I'm targeting multi-level marketing companies. People in Itworks, people in ICGenic, people in Beachbody, basically people have a home-based business and they want to learn how to use internet and Instagram to build their business. So most likely that it's possible that they have a business account, and it's possible that they have some sort of a link in their bio. So then it makes sense that I do not check these. So think about who your audience is, what are they doing, think about that. Who are you targeting? If there are people that have businesses, then maybe you wanna do not skip business accounts and do not skip websites, and so that makes sense, I hope. And then we have follow sources. So we are, in the other video I was mentioning this one. Follow users that interact with posts on target accounts. And if you go down, these are alright now, but with many accounts I saw explanation points in here, so that means that they are not delivering. Also in the settings, we put here and down, remove poor quality sources. So if they are not following back, then they are being removed by Jarvee automatically until a point that you have no accounts left in here. Then you're not following anyone anymore. So with some accounts, because this is really a powerful strategy, that you only connect with people that engage with the account, but it takes a lot of effort, really searching and tweaking to find the accounts that have that. And I noticed a lot of times as well with me that not always the accounts added up in the numbers. So they were running, they will get followings, but not as many as I would like. So this is my suggestion. If you run into that, if you keep losing if Jarvee keeps deleting these and your accounts are not growing with 100, 150 per day, then turn this off. Use the same accounts, use the basic from there, and do your research if that account really resonates with you. And then go up, and then check this box. Follow followers following of target accounts. You do this one, and then you paste your accounts in here, and then add account followers. Really important, add account followers. Not they're following, but they're followers. And automatically they are placed in here, and then you go back to settings and make sure that it's turned on, that they're running. Let me go up. That the status is started. So that being said, really work with this and keep tweaking, and do not feel like, oh, this is it and I cannot go anywhere and do anything. Test what's working for you. These are numbers. I scaled other numbers up. Oops, you can tweak it up all the way up to 8, and I suggest 3, 4 and 8, and 4 and 8. And you see here it's 912, and then I could do this. I do 900, and I just let it grow and see. This is my max. I'm not going beyond this 900, and also actually are running perfectly. So that being said, tweak, go into Jarvee, change the accounts, the follow sources. You need to be following 900 people per day. So Make sure, check your numbers in tools. You have all those numbers. See if these add up. And that's it. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.